I'll give you a quick tour of the one that I've designed. So let's unlock that. So this is the main screen where you've got access to all of the key data that you would want to use on a daily basis. At least for me, anyway. This is what I would use. So on this main screen, I can change the profile. I can go into each profile and change all of the sub settings, like the material, where the temp control is on or off, your temperature limit, your power setting, and I can override the resistance as well, which, you know, previously I would use eScribe for that. I'm really glad it's on the board now, because overriding the resistance for me is the best way to really fine tune your power delivery to get that sweet spot, because it's more, you know, the increments are smaller than just changing the wattage. So I really like that, especially for temp control, but also in power mode. So that's that screen. I'll just demonstrate that. So you've got 3 buttons: up, down, and menu or select. So if I'm on this screen and I want to go in and change something, I'd press menu, and then I can go and choose the thing I want to change. So I can select that, change that, select that, change that. Let's say I want to switch to Fahrenheit and change that. Switch temp control on, and actually I've got a stainless steel coil in here. And there you go. And I can fire. Okay. Also with up down, I can switch between different screens, and I can show you how quick and easy that is. So that's a power screen, that's a temp control screen, that's a menu screen, and that's my kind of multifunctional screen. And I can go through them really quickly. And on any of those screens I can vape. And I've got feedback there for my current and volts. And I can go in and I can change the settings again. Same with this. This is a temperature control screen. I've added in an extra gauge there for my temperature limit, as well as the battery meter. And I can go in and play around. Oops. So yeah, there we go. And let's have a look at the menu screen. If I go into Atomizer, I can actually switch on preheat and change the settings for that. If I go into coil, you could see that I messed around with the resistance, and if I want to just kind of reset that, I can go down to resample it. Diagnostics, got some data there, which if I fire, will give me feedback. Statistics is like my puff count. Live fields, I can change the way each of these fields update on the other screens. Display, I can change the date and the time, because they're shown on the lock screen. Change the brightness if I want to, flip the screen, switch on stealth mode, and so on. And an about screen just for my mod. So that's it.